Introducing MedTunnel, the new free and secure way to communicate for healthcare. There are three major features of the MedTunnel system. The first is HIPAA-compliant instant messaging. You can now not only text patient information between people in your practice, but can also text with other healthcare providers outside your practice, or even with your patients, even if the recipient is not on MedTunnel. The second feature is secure electronic document transfer. No more faxing. You can send medical documents electronically from any device, including a mobile device, PC, or Mac, instantly to anyone. On a PC or Mac, there's even a virtual printer that you can print to from your existing EHR system, which then transmits documents electronically to anyone. All HIPAA compliant and all for free. The third feature is an instant patient portal. Using the portal, your patients can send you messages or even request appointments with attached images of their insurance card. They can do this from any device, including mobile devices, and you can message them back. This is a huge convenience for both patient and provider. Each of these features can be implemented independently. So how do you get started with MedTunnel? The process is very easy. This demonstration video will go through the process of how a fictitious practice called Valley Orthopedics signs up and starts using MedTunnel. MedTunnel can be used by any type of healthcare organization. The first step is to create your MedTunnel account. There are three types of MedTunnel accounts: a patient account, a single provider account, and a group of providers account. This video will focus on the group provider account, which is the correct choice for almost all healthcare providers. The single provider account is for the special circumstance of when there is a provider who needs to sign up, but the entire group they are with is not yet ready. For example, if you are the surgery scheduler for a hospital and need a MedTunnel account, but your entire hospital is not ready to sign up, you would sign up for a single provider account that can be merged to a group account later. To sign up for an account, simply point your web browser to the MedTunnel website at www.medtunnel.com and click the Sign Up button. You would then select the group of providers as the account type. The first thing you will need to enter will be your group name, which needs to be unique in the MedTunnel system. In our example, Valley Orthopedics decides on Valley Ortho as their group name. Every user on the MedTunnel system has a unique MedTunnel ID that other users use to send them messages or documents. For group users, this MedTunnel ID is in the format username @groupname. So since Valley Orthopedics has chosen Valley Ortho as their group name, then all MedTunnel IDs for their group will end with the @ValleyOrtho suffix. To finish registering, simply fill out the rest of the information and click Continue. The administrator registering the group needs to fill out their own information. The first field is where they will pick their own MedTunnel ID. Notice that as you enter your MedTunnel ID, the @ValleyOrtho suffix is automatically added for you since Valley Ortho is the name of the group. After filling out the rest of the information, click Register to complete the registration. You'll then be sent an email with an activation link that you will need to click on in order to activate your account. Once activated, you are now ready to start adding other users. To add other users, the administrator who created the account logs into their account and clicks on the Account tab. Here you can add other users by clicking on the Add User button and simply entering their information. You can choose to make them an administrator since each account can have more than one administrator. Only administrators can add or change users. You can also choose not to publish their MedTunnel ID. This may be useful for physicians who don't want their patients to be able to message them directly. After you finish adding the other users to your account, make sure that you click on the Group Details tab and enter a default message password. When sending messages to non-MedTunnel users via email, this is the password that the message will be encrypted with in order to read the message. More details about adding users and departments is available by going to the Support area and then selecting the How-To videos for providers. And then selecting the Group Admin demo video. Now that you have your account and users set up, you can now send secure HIPAA-compliant messages to anyone using any of three different clients: a web client, the MedTunnel desktop app for PC or Mac, or a mobile app for iOS and Android. The apps are available for download for free from the support area of our website. For example, to send a message from the web client, simply log into your account and then click the Compose button. Then enter the email address or MedTunnel ID of the recipient. Type your message, add any attachments, such as files you want to send to them, and then click Send. The 50 most recent recipients you sent a message to are remembered for easy access by clicking this button. If you're sending a message to a non-MedTunnel user, simply enter their email address. The message is automatically encrypted using the password entered, or if no password is entered, then your group default password is used. Remember, the password is only used for sending messages to non-MedTunnel users. Messages sent to MedTunnel users are automatically encrypted for you without the need for a password. Sending a message on the desktop app, iOS app, or Android app is just as simple. You can see if the recipient of your message has read your message by going to your Sent Messages and looking at the status of the message. More detailed videos of how to use each of the client apps is available from the support area of our website. Sending documents via MedTunnel to get rid of faxing is simple and seamless. To send documents from your existing EHR system, you will need to download and install our MedTunnel desktop app, available for both PC and Mac, from the support area of our website. The desktop app installs as a virtual printer on your system called the MedTunnel Print to Send that can accept printed documents from any other application that can print. So if you want to send a document from your EHR, simply print the document and select the MedTunnel Print to Send as the printer you want to print to. The MedTunnel desktop app will then convert your document to a PDF document and will present a send window with your document already attached. You simply enter the destination of where you want to send the document and then click Send to send the document. It's so simple and so easy that your office will be able to get rid of the hassle and expense of faxing in no time. When you first start out on MedTunnel, many of the places you want to send documents to will not yet be on MedTunnel. This is why MedTunnel allows you to send documents via email that are encrypted with a password. You can set a password for each document you send, but if you don't set a password for a message, the default password set by the administrator is used. Remember, a password is only required when sending messages to non-MedTunnel users via email. During the implementation process, each week pick 5 to 10 people that your office sends the most faxes to and call them on the phone to get their email address and tell them that you will no longer be faxing documents to them, but will be sending documents to them to their email via MedTunnel. You will also tell them over the phone what their password will be to open the documents. When they get a document sent via MedTunnel to their email, they simply enter the password to view the document. Optionally, they are given the chance to join MedTunnel themselves and get their own unique MedTunnel ID. When they do so, you will be notified, and from that point on, you can send documents directly to them via their MedTunnel ID. By repeating this process with 5 to 10 people each week, you'll be able to get rid of faxing in no time. The MedTunnel patient portal is automatically created for you when your account is created. You or your patients can access the patient portal using any web browser by using the URL https://portal.medtunnel.com/your group name. For example, the URL for our Valley Orthopedics account that we created earlier would be https://portal.medtunnel.com/valley-ortho, since they picked Valley Ortho as their group name. Anyone, patients or providers, can search for a practice or providers using the portal search from our website or mobile apps. It is important that you provide a link to your portal on your practice's existing website so that patients can easily access it. Once in your portal, patients are given the option of messaging anyone in your practice that does not have the Do Not Publish option checked for their account. They can even request appointments from their mobile device and attach images of their insurance cards. This is a huge convenience for both the patient and the practice. The patient doesn't have to navigate your phone system and leave a voicemail and can receive messages from you via text. Your practice is instantly notified of patient questions or appointment requests without using up lines on your phone system. The other advantage of MedTunnel Patient Portal is the patients do not have to sign up for a patient portal for each of their physicians. They need to have only one MedTunnel account, and that will link to all their physicians who are on MedTunnel. As more practices sign up with MedTunnel, patients will be able to use MedTunnel's provider search to search for physicians and request appointments. For more details about using MedTunnel, please see the FAQ and support pages on our website. On the support page of our website, there are videos that go into more detail about how to use the MedTunnel system. If you have any questions, you can send a MedTunnel message to MedTunnel ID support@medtunnel or email us at support@medtunnel.com. Thanks for watching the video, and we hope you enjoy MedTunnel.